Hi, if I have this question, I need to prove the triangle NMB similar to triangle RMQ. Now this is the small triangle NMB and this is the big triangle here, RMQ. Now I want to prove that they are similar. They are similar because they have the same shape but not the same side. Of course they are not congruent. Now if I need to prove that they are similar, I have to use either angle, or side, angle, side, or side, side, side. Now, of course, it's not side, 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 because if I need to use side, 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 he should give me the three sides of each triangle, the small and the big one. Now, and it's of course not angle, because here he gave me that this angle, which is NMP and RMP, are congruent to each other. He gave it to me. It's only one angle. I don't have another angle. Angle means I need two angles. And there is no information about any other angles that are congruent. And I cannot find any other angles that are congruent. So here I will never use angle. So is it side, angle, side? Yes. Because side, angle, side depends on that I have two sides and an included angle between them. Yes. If you can see here, there are two sides, the 4 here and the 8 here for the small triangle, which is NM and MB, and the included angle between them is this angle. And I have the same for the other big triangle. I have this one is given, which is RM6, and I have this long side, which is MQ all, because I'm talking about now about the big one. This one is given, the RM, and the MQ is given, which is 8 plus 4, 12, all this, and the included angle between them. So actually I will use side, angle, side. Now if I need to start proving that these triangles are congruent using side, angle, side, first I will write the angle that is already given for me. So I will write the angle, and of course it has to be mentioned by 3 letters because M, it has two sides, here and here. If I will write this angle up here, it's between which sides? If you look here, it's between N and between P. You can say P or Q, the same. And the angle already is M. So angle M, but I cannot write it. I have to write it in 3 letters. So it will be NMP or NMQ, as you like. Let's name it NMQ, no problem. Okay, it's congruent. NMQ is congruent to the other triangle, to the other angle, which is RMQ. Why RMQ? This is the M. It's between R and between Q. Q or B, the same. So R and Q, congruent to angle R and Q. What is the reason here? It's given. I'm done with the angle. Now I need two sides, and take care. The sides here are not congruent because this is a small one and this is a big one. We cannot say that this side is congruent to this side. They will never be. And this side is not congruent to this side. This is a small one and this is a big one. These don't have the same size. One is small and one is big. So they are not congruent, but they are proportional. Meaning if I take one side from here over the corresponding side from the other triangle, equal one side from here over the corresponding side from the other triangle. So if I take this one, which is the 4 over the 6, 4 from the small over the 6, which is corresponding to it, it should equal here the one from the small. This is the small one. So 4 over 6 from the big one equal 8 from the 6 from the small one over the whole thing, this one. This whole thing is 12. Never say 4 over 6 equal 8 over 4, because this is a common error. It happens a lot. No, because this is not only the small triangle, the big triangle. It's not only this, it's all this. So if you will say 4 over 6, it should equal 8 over 12 over this all, because this is all the big triangle. So I will say, and before I name them in numbers, I need to name them in letters. So the 4 is home, actually it's NM. So I will write NM over, this is NM, over how much is here? I said NM over RM equal, so NM over RM equal this one, which is from the small triangle, MB, over this all from the big triangle, MQ. Now, NM, as we said before, is 4, so I will write 4 over RM, which is 6, equal MB, which is 8, over MQ. MQ is from here up to here, so it's 8 plus 4, Take care. 8 plus 4. Now I need to check. Is this one, is this ratio equal to this ratio? I don't know. I will check. Now 4 over 6 and this one is 8 over 12. 4 over 6 and the other one is 8 over 12. Now if you simplify this, divide by 2 and divide by 2 will give you 2 over 3. And if you simplify this, divide by 4, divide by 4, it will also give you 2 over 3. Then they are equal. So are these two sides or these sides proportional? Yes, these sides are proportional to each other. Now if I have the sides are proportional to each other and I have one angle, included angle, congruent between the proportional sides, then can I say that the two triangles are similar? Yes. Then I will say that triangle NMB is similar to triangle RMQ. Again, what we did, here I have an angle congruent to each other, and I will use here side, angle, side. Similarity. Now the angle already given, and then I checked the sides, I checked the proportional sides. Then after checking the proportional sides, they give me that they are equal to each other. Then the sides are proportional and the angle is congruent. Then can I say that these two triangles are similar? Yes. By what? By side, angle, side. This is all. Thank you.